this is Harry J from Mass Communication. I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Skype to your Windows 11 computer. Could be Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, whatever version you have. Also, I want to show you how you can make a Skype account in this case. In this case, you have to open one browser, could be Edge from Microsoft, could be Firefox, could be Google Chrome. I hit Google Chrome in this case. And in Google Chrome, you have to type Skype. In this case, I'm gonna download the Skype in the computer, not that I'm gonna use the Skype in Google Chrome. Here we go, Skype. Worldwide, you see the page of Microsoft because Microsoft is the owner of Skype. So what I have to do, create a video call or download Skype. Here you see I want to download Skype in my computer, not online Skype. I hit download Skype. Get Skype for Windows 10, Windows 11. Hit this one. It's telling me one option, I can download Skype from Microsoft Store. I don't want to download Skype from Microsoft Store. I want to download Skype from Skype page or Microsoft page. I cancel this one. I hit try again. So you see here, now the Skype is downloading directly from the Skype page. You have two versions of Skype. One is Skype from Microsoft page. That is not that good. I recommend the original version Skype from Skype page. So I have here downloaded. I hit for open this one. Asking me permission to install. I hit C, that means yes. Installer, that means install. And installing Skype in my computer. So guys, what you have to do, download the Skype from Skype page, not the Microsoft version from Microsoft Store. Now here we are. I go to here, sign up option in the page of Skype. You see skype.com. And in sign in here, you have my account, use Skype online. Sign up option, I hit this one. Let's see if we can do that or not here. Use my email address. Hit next button. Put a password. Next button. Put my name. Next button. Put a date of birth. I hit next button. I get a verification code to my Gmail account. Here we go. I open here. Put the code. I hit next button. I have to prove the puzzle if I'm not a robot. I hit next button. This is better, you see. So you have to create an account, pick the donut. Where is the donut? Here is the donut. Is done. Create account, pick a donut. Here we go. Is done. Same the donut. Hit this one. Pick a donut. Okay, is done. And again pick a donut. Is done. Account is created in this case. Stay sign in. I hit yes. Is fine. Is done. So I'm on the Skype online. So I want to connect Skype in my Skype account here. And use another account, my new account. Put here. I hit next button. Put my passwords. I sign in. I hit continue. The microphone is working. I hit continue. Here is Harry, the cam is working. I hit continue, OK button. No, I don't want to contribute anything. So I am in my new Skype account. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.